Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. If you are new to this channel, I am Tenoso, a hair and makeup artist. And to all my subscribers, thank you very much for the support. And for today's video, I'm gonna show you on how to apply makeup using nude colors from MAC Cosmetics. And I hope you enjoy and learn in this video. And keep on watching till the end. Have a nice day. Our makeup model, Maika. I use L'Oreal primer. It fills in the pores and blurs out the blemishes and gives smoothness to the skin so that makeup stays longer and doesn't smudge. I use Maybelline foundation to create an even, uniform color to her complexion, and it covers her flaws and to cover up her skin imperfections like redness, pimples, and even skin tone. And it makes her skin look naturally flawless and smooth. It adds radiance to her complexion. I used L'Oreal concealer. It will hide her dark circle, dark spots, and blemishes. This is important to get a uniform finish. It makes her face appear even toned and flawless. It masks dark circles and her large pores and other small blemishes visible on her skin. Then I use pressed powder to set her foundation and concealer so that her makeup will last longer and does not move around, and it will control shine. For contouring and shading, I use Bruise and Cheek from new REVLON Photo Ready. This contouring and shading, this is to achieve an oval shaped face, or it adds dimension to her face. Then we will have a nose contour to create a beautiful, long, and well-shaped nose. For eyebrow shaping, I use BYS pencil, color brown. I just follow the hairlines of her eyebrows. Then I comb the hair upward. For eyeshadows, I use Showstopper MAC eyeshadow. For the first shadow application, I use the lightest color, then followed by a lighter one, then going to the darkest one. In applying eyeshadows, just use a bit of the pigment so that it will not look and feel heavy on the eyes, and blend it well. Then I use MAXFACTOR eyeliner, a brown color. I use mascara to define the eyelashes, darken and thicken. Then I use L'OREAL blush on to add a flash of color to her cheek and to look more attractive. And for her lips, I use Color Rich Matte 216, a blaze of red from L'OREAL. It will define her lips and brighten her smiles, and it will provide hydration and to appear more beautiful. Now we're done! Wow, beautiful indeed! See the big difference before and after? Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Hope to see you again.